when you're talking RC cars,
Talking
Tamiya,
fun.
you're talking Tamiya. This is the most entry level of entry level cars.
And it is actually classified as a vintage buggy re-release, right? Because the Holiday Buggy
and that little thing there, it says this is designed for people who are just starting out in RC.
Yeah. And this is really cool. And what I love about it is that it's 380 powered, so it's got a small little weenie motor in it. But it does have
who's got a small little weenie?
It does actually have like double wishbone suspension stuff, so it's probably quite competent compared to a grasshopper.
Yes, I think this is better. That's why I wanted to bring this on.
And it would be eligible, I believe, and I'm happy to be corrected, for the vintage bash, right? Because it is a re-re. I mean, I know it's a whole new chassis.
It's significantly different.
But if you turned up with this and a 540 motor in it, you'd be allowed to run it.
I don't think anyone would be fussed. And as we discussed before, it comes with 2.2-inch wheels.
Yeah, so you can put
anything on. So I'd suggest some gold magenta compound sweeps.
Yes, will we ever? We've been flying that flag hard.
Try ribs on the front.
Yep, but let's have a look. Oh, ribbed. Well, it is Friday.
Ribs.
We do love a good ribbing.
Open this up.
You're going to open it up?
I did I'll give it a bit of holiday buggy at some stage, but I sold it to some.
Well, that doesn't surprise
someone
me.
Who offered me money or sex. Or both.
At the same time.
At the same time.
Why not?
Speed controller included.
And it's got a 1060, which is somewhat an overkill for a
380.
Because you'd expect to have a 25 amp, but that's 60 amp one.
Yeah.
Have a look. It's got a hard body.
So have I.
Parts of you are hard. And look at that.
Yeah.
Indestructible.
And you can't paint that. They say do not paint it, but you get stickers, and that's fine. It's ready to go. You've got a man with a decapitated.
And he's pretty detailed.
Yeah, it looks like BJ's done that. Although he's got a hole in the top of his head, which amuses me greatly.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
You'd run him without a hat, wouldn't you?
Yeah, I would.
Skullless.
I'd put a brain in there.
Model a brain.
Model a brain and put it in there.
Pinky in the brain.
And there's his cowboy hat.
Yeah.
So there's a bit of
looks a lot like Aaron Defina.
Yeah.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Let's take a closer look. Here you go, Aaron. That does look very Aaron Defina-ish.
He's just asked, can you paint a body on the outside?
Well, we can paint anything on the outside.
I can paint anything. You know that. Look at that.
Look at the detail. We've got a jerry can. We've got driving lights.
Nice, simple, but that's reasonably sturdy. Too.
ABS plastic, nothing fancy about the composites.
Nothing fancy there.
It doesn't have to be. It's got the north-south longitudinally mounted battery. Pre-mounted tyres.
Pre-mounted tyres. These are not the softest tyres I felt. These are not gold magenta.
No.
These far from it.
And it's got what would be affectionately called mumbos. Look at these ribs. These are serious ribs.
They are absolutely ribs.
I had these on my buggy in 94 and 95, and I reckon that they would have lasted about 50,000 laps.
Yeah.
They would not wear out. Really cool.
They might actually work. Somewhere.
Really cool.
Yeah. You can see the parts count here is low. There's not as many.
Look at the size of the gears. It's almost like an MO3 gearbox.
32 pitch.
But look how wide they are, the gear sets.
This thing is made to last.
It's going to last, isn't it?
Yeah. There's nothing special to look at here. I just thought I'd bring it on because I thought it's important to recognise cars that aren't like absolute mega race machines.
No, but it doesn't mean you can't have fun with it, right?
This is a great little thing.
It'll bring somebody joy, and you know they cost pennies.
Yeah, and in fact, we sold one literally 5 minutes before we came on air.
Yeah.
But that was to Rudy. You'll buy anything. But it was just cool to have that on there. So thought I'd bring that one out.
So we've got a couple in stock. So do yourself a favour and check out the Holiday Buggy.
Under $200.
If it's your
quite a bit under $200.
If it's your first RC or even if it's your 10th, doesn't matter.
Yeah.
You could still have a whole heap of fun with it.
Yeah.
380 cup.
Yeah.
Give me an excuse to get one of those hot Tushihara 380 motors.
Oh, yeah.
No?
Yeah. Well, we can get him to bring a few over.